Hey guys, welcome to Amateur Cooking with Jess. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my super simple and so delicious street tacos. These tacos take me no more than 15-20 minutes to make. They're great for the family. Everyone loves Taco Tuesday. So if you'd like to know how I make these delicious street tacos, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's recipe, I'm going to be using garlic salt, seasoned salt, a pound of beef taco meat, canola oil, onion, cilantro, queso fresco, lime, and salsa. These items are for garnishments and they are optional. Okay, now let's get started. I'm going to warm up a pan and I'm going to be adding the canola oil. And I'm going to add enough to coat the bottom. Once it heats up, I'm going to add the taco meat. Okay guys, now that my pan is hot, I'm going to go ahead and add the meat. And you want to break it apart so that you can season it evenly. Of course, the seasoning is all up to you. It's up to your taste buds, however you like it. Again, some people have a restricted diet. That's fine. Just add a little bit less seasoning. Not a big deal. They're still going to be delicious. Okay, now I'm going to add my seasoned salt. I'm going to add some of my garlic salt. Again, if you don't like garlic, you can go ahead and omit the garlic salt and just add the seasoned salt or regular salt. And I'm just going to mix it up very well. And we're going to cook this until it's thoroughly cooked. And you'll know it's thoroughly cooked because there won't be any pink left. And you can also go ahead and taste the piece and see how you like it on salt, and of course to see if it's fully cooked. So I don't think it should take longer than about maybe 8 minutes to cook, depending on your heat, so about 8 to 10 minutes. And right now, the time is 6:19, so I'll check back on it a little later. Okay guys, it is now 6:27, so it's been about 8 minutes. My meat is fully cooked. Now, I like my meat crispy. If you like it a little bit soft or not so well done, you can stop now. But I like it a little crispy. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to lower the heat. And while I lower the heat, I'm going to start warming up my tortillas. Now that I've lowered the heat, I'm going to warm up my griddle so I can warm up my tortillas. And I like using these small tortillas. Obviously, there's street tacos. Street tacos have small tortillas. And I like to use one per taco. You can use two if you'd like. Now that my griddle's warm, I'm going to warm up 3 tortillas because I am hungry tonight. Okay, now that my tortillas are ready, they're nice and warm, I'm going to add my meat. And now I'm going to garnish my tacos. So first we're going to add a little bit of cilantro to our tacos. Then we're going to add a little bit of onion. Like I said, these are optional. Next, we're going to add my salsa, which I made earlier. And link that recipe in the description box below. And I like to add cheese to my tacos because it just gives them a really great flavor, and they also look lovely. A little bit of lime. And there you have it. My easy and delicious tacos. Super simple, took me less than 20 minutes to make, and so good. Alright guys, so there you have it, my super easy, super simple, delicious street tacos. Literally took me under 20 minutes. I just got home from work. I don't want to spend hours cooking. And now for the taste test. These are so good. I'm ready for Taco Tuesday. All I need is a beer with these tacos. I swear, they're so good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and I hope you guys do give this recipe a try. Super easy. Anyone can do it. I can do it. Anyone can do it. I'm not a chef. I just love food. Now, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Once again, thank you for watching. And if you'd like to know how I make my salsa, go ahead and click in the description box below so that you can see my next video on how I made my salsa. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon.